This conference will now be recorded.
All right. The next topic is you take shopping. So the purpose of SAP Commerce is what? The purpose of SAP Commerce is create the shopping sites. Now, shopping sites are B2C and B2B. Especially if you take the B2C, SEO is important. SEO, search engine optimization, is important. So please remember this. SEO is nothing but set of the guidelines. It's not just a straightforward one you can able to achieve with one point. SEO is nothing but set of the guidelines. So what is the meaning of SEO? Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. Now you can ask a question, why SEO is important? Why SEO is important, or why company needs to spend money for SEO? Why company needs to spend money for SEO? So this is the question we need to understand for the SEO perspective. So please remember this. Please make a note. So we are discussing the SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, and SEO is nothing but set up the guidelines or rules. You can say set up the guidelines or rules. Now you can ask a question, why SEO is important, or why company needs to spend money for SEO? Because implementing the SEO and doing SEO, all these things are cost factors. For that, there is a famous survey. Basically, let's say you want to, or let's take this way. Let's say there are 100 people. This is the survey results here. Okay. So what is the survey? Let's say there are 1,000 people bought Samsung TV today. Okay, so this is a scenario. Now the question here is that how many people really start looking their product from search engines like a Google and all, from search engines like a Google, Bing, whatever you call it as. How many people really start looking their product from search engines, and how many people really go to the, how many people really directly go to Samsung.com and buy it? So this is the question. So let's say there are 1,000 people bought the Samsung TV today. This is the scenario. Then how many people start looking their product from the Google or from the search engines, and how many people directly go to Samsung and bought it? So you can see here, I will go to the Samsung site. Okay, Samsung.com. So here also I can buy whatever it is. So if I want to buy the TV or whatever you want, mobile, whatever you want, you can buy it. So the question is, how many people really go to the search engines and start looking their product, and from there they can go to the site. Let's say I want to buy the Samsung TV. What I will do, first I will go to the Google and type Samsung TV 55-inch like that. Samsung TV 55-inch like that I will type. Now the moment I type like this, you can see there is a results from Best Buy. There is a results from Samsung. There is a results from Walmart. There is a results from Samsung. There is a results from Sam's. So right now I am doing the search in the US. That's why you are seeing most of the US results. If you search in India, then you will see India related websites. Can you search quickly Samsung 55 inches TV? Then you will see Reliance Digital, Chroma, Shop like that. Or Shop not, at least Reliance Digital you will see. Are you able to see Reliance Digital in the results? Can you check quickly? Go to google.com and type Samsung TV 55 inches. Then you will see Amazon, Flipkart, Reliance Retail like that. Do you see that? Are you guys there?
Yes, sir.
Do you see that results? Okay, so that is what it is. So therefore, what I'm trying to say that, let's say if I want to buy a Samsung TV, then see, if I want to buy a Samsung TV, first I'm going to the google.com and typing Samsung TV 55 inches. From here I can go to Best Buy, or from here I can go to Samsung, or from here I can go to Sam's, whatever it is. Now let's say from here, if I go on to buy the product from Samsung website, still count goes to the Google, because that's what, if you see the question what I ask is, how many people really start looking the product from search engines, that means Google and all, and how many people directly go to the Samsung TV and buy it. So the answer is around 93% of the people, around 93% of the people start looking their product from the search engines. This is one of the nice surveyor. So that means around 7% of the people will go to the actual sites and buy it. So please remember this, the count whatever I am doing here. So let's say I search with the Samsung TV. Now here I am getting the Samsung results. That means a result from the Samsung website. If I click on this, still you need to give the count for Google only, because the route to reach this product, the path to reach this product is Google. So that's why I'm saying, so therefore now you can visualize here. If you tell this survey to your company, definitely they will think of the SEO. So that's why SEO is important, because 90%, 93% of the people, around 93% of the people start looking their product from the search engines. So therefore it is important for us. So therefore, what is the conclusion now? It's important for us to let Google crawlers. It is important for us to let Google crawlers or Google search engines knows about our product, so that it will display in search results. It will display in search results. Is that clear? So therefore, it is important for us to let the Google crawler knows. It is important for us, please understand this statement. It is important for us to let the Google crawlers or search engines, okay, search engines know about our product, so that it will display our products. It will display our products or categories in search results. That's the statement. That's the statement. Now if you see here, so I just search with the Samsung TV 55 inches. Now you can see there is a results coming from Best Buy, there is a results coming from Samsung, Walmart, okay, Samsung again, Sam's again, and so on, so on, so. So therefore it is important for us to make sure, it is important for us let Google crawler know about our products. Now, okay, so for this what to do is the question. Please understand this. I said why SEO is important, because around 93% of the people are start looking their product from the Google. So therefore, it is important for us to let Google crawlers or search engines know about our product or category. Okay, product or category, so that it will display our products or categories in the search results. Example here. Now, can you observe this one, please? So I search with a search Samsung TV 55 inches. Samsung TV 55 inches. Now, so can you please observe here? I click on this. When I click on this, you can see it is directly taking me to product detail page. It is directly taking me to product detail page. So that's why I said here, let know about our product or categories. Sometimes what happen? These results also can have the category. So let me go to the Samsung and see what happened. If I go to the Samsung, let's see if it is showing the category or product detail only it is showing. Product detail only showing. So let me search differently. Let me search differently. So let me search just let's say Samsung TV. Just search with the Samsung TV. So if I just search with the Samsung TV, now let me go to this place. Let's see whether it is giving the product page or yeah, it is giving the product page. Sometimes what it will give, it will give the category page. From the category page also, you can pick whatever product you want, and so on, so on, so and so on, so on, so. So therefore, it's important for us to let Google crawler or search engines knows about product or category or something else. Product or category or something else also, so that our products or categories or content will display in the search results. Now for this, what we need to do? For this, what we need to do? So for that, what you need to do? Step number 1, you need to maintain robot.txt. Robots.txt. Okay. So for that, step number 1 is what? You need to maintain robots.txt. Now let's see whether people are maintaining or not. So which website you want me to show? So I will close this for now. I don't need at this point of time. Okay. Now tell me which website you want to take. Reliance Digital, Cyberstop, OCM. Which website you want me to show?
Chroma.
Chroma. Okay. Let's go to the Chroma. I just typed the chroma.com and see whether they have the robots.txt / robots.txt. And please remember this, as I said, SEO is set of guidelines or rules. Some companies may follow, some companies may not follow, some companies follow 80%, some companies follow 100%, whatever it is. But just see the overall picture. So first thing is that, see, they are maintaining the robot.txt. They are maintaining the robot.txt. Similarly, okay, so step number 1 is maintain the robot.txt. Now let's go to our OOTB website. So this is the OOTB website. So here I will type robots.txt. Let's see whether I have it. Robots.txt. Let's see whether I have it. See, here also we have. Okay, now, so therefore here also we have, in the OOTB site also we have the robot.txt. No problem. We will understand what the purpose of this, all those things, but start looking the, okay, robot.txt. That's good. That means, so if I go to the OOTB, I can see the robot.txt. That means there is a corresponding code given for this. Where is the code? You can go here and see there is a robots controller.java. Okay, you can see. So for B2C website, you have the robots controller.java. That's where you have slash robots.txt. So that means when you hit this URL, can you see this one? When you hit this URL, so this is a controller called. So this controller is having that request mapping. So hence this logic is executed. Hence this logic is executed. You can please keep monitoring it what I am doing. So therefore the corresponding code is what? Robots controller.java. So here, so that means when you hit like this, can you see the complete flow? When you hit this URL, okay, so when you hit this URL, so this is the controller called, okay, so this is the controller called which is having the request mapping. Okay, so this is the controller called which is having the request mapping. So here you can see robots.txt. So here robot.txt. So these two are matching. Now from here, this is having bunch of the logic. This is having bunch of the logic. Now you can see so on so so on so. Now you can see they are setting the response headers, all those things. After that, they are going to this particular page. Now let me go to this page. So in that page, you can see there are some miscellaneous related robots pages. So, and sorry. Let me close this, cancel. Let me open this, Control C, Control Shift R, then this is the one. So let's see what is there in this. Now you can see you have some logic here. You have some logic in this. Similarly, there is one more file here. So let me go to this also. There is one more file here. Let me go to this also. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is not having much logic, but this is the main one. Someone is not muted. You need to go on mute, please. Thank you. Okay, so that means when you click on this one, can you please observe here, or when you hit that URL, then this is the controller called, which is having bunch of the logic. This logic is giving this results. This logic is giving this results. Very good. Now you can ask a question, what is the purpose of this? Okay, now you can ask a question, what is the purpose of this? So this is about the robot.txt flow. Now you can ask a question, what is the purpose of this robots.txt, or what it will give? So it will give two things here. So the first one is, okay, the first one is, you can observe this here. Okay, let me ask a question. Now I go to the Google. Okay, first one is, our website is having so many pages, yes or no? Our website is having so many pages. What are the pages we have? We have a home page, we have a cart page, we have a product page, okay, we have a checkout page, we have a checkout page, we have a order page, we have a login page, and so on, so on. So our website will have so many pages. Now what I am the question asking is that when I go on to search something here, let's say I go here, search Samsung TV 55 inches. When I search like this, can I show the order page here? Can I show the checkout page here? Can I show my order page results? Can I show my checkout page results? Can I show my account page results?
No.
No. What you can show some content, you can show some categories, you can show some products. So that means, okay, so it's time to, so that means it's time to tell which pages, okay, that crawlers, which pages crawlers needs to follow, and you can see here which pages follow and allow, disallow. So you can see if you go to the Chroma website, they are telling login page don't allow, disallow, search page don't search page disallow, like that they mentioned. So that means other pages it will scroll or index or follow. Okay, so therefore it's time to specify which pages allow or disallow. So disallow means Google crawlers will not consider for indexing or scanning. Google crawlers will not consider for indexing or scanning. Okay, now can you see this one, please? Now let's go to the OOTP site. So in the OOTP site, so this is the information we have. So the first thing what is there in the robot.txt, so allow or disallow information, allow disallow information of the pages. Now you can see here cart we are saying disallow, okay, checkout disallow, something disallow, these are all disallow. Now if I go to the Chroma, so you can see login is also disallow. Now we want that login. So if you want to make login is disallow, then as I said, when you hit this URL, this is the controller called, okay, this is the controller called. From this controller it is going to this constant, from this it is going to here. So here you can add one more page results as a disallow. What you want to do, what you want to, or what you disallow, so let's say login. So then you can specify /login here. Now go to the website and see, is login is coming now? Is the login is coming? Is the login is coming? Yes. So
Yes.
that's the advantage of this particular information. That's how you can configure which pages are allow and disallow. That's it. So therefore you can see block access to specific group of the pages. Okay, so this is the meaning. So block specific or block access to specific group of the pages. That's what the meaning. Okay, so that is how you can specify the information. Very good. That is how you can specify the information. That is how you can specify the information. Then second one, you need to pay attention, please. Second one, now come to here. I click on Samsung 55 inches TV. When I click on Samsung 55 inches TV, so here I am getting some links, right? Here I am getting some links. So when I click on the link, it is directly go to the product page. It is directly going to the category page like that. Yes or no? So therefore, second one is, okay, when we search, let's say Samsung TV 55 inch, then it is giving results with the product page links. Okay, product link or category link or something else. Or something like this. So that means, can you please pay attention? That means it's time for us to let Google crawlers knows about our links. Yes or no? It's time for us to let Google crawlers knows about our links, so that it will index, so that it will scan, so that it will display here. So that's called a sitemap. So the second one is sitemap. Sitemap.xml. So therefore, I said it's time for us to. So therefore, it's time for us to let crawlers or search engines or robots. Crawlers or search engines or robots. Okay, knows about our links, so that it will display. In search results. So for this we have sitemap.xml. So therefore, in a simple word, what sitemap.xml will give? In a simple word, what sitemap.xml will give?
Structure.
Sitemap.xml will give. So the answer is sitemap.xml will give. So our product links. Okay, our categories links. I will show you. Okay, our categories links and some content links, whatever it is, and so on. So that's why that information you are able to see here. So that means I am telling to the Google crawler, hey, go and check the my website results and all, website links and all from this sitemap. Now let's go to the Chroma. In the Chroma also you can see there is a sitemap. From Chroma also you can see there is a sitemap. So therefore this is what we have here in the OOTV. So in the Chroma also you have the same. That is what we have. In the out of the box also we have similar. All right. Okay. Now, so from here I will go to the sitemap.xml. From here I will go to the sitemap.xml. So first let me go to the Chroma. So in the Chroma, from there I will go to the sitemap.xml. So if I go to the sitemap.xml, so you can see it is giving the product page links, category page links, all these things. It is giving the product page links, category page links, all these things. Now let's check the OOTV. So in the OOTV, I click on sitemap, that URL. Now I am getting error. I'm getting error. I'm not getting the results. I am getting the error. I'm getting the error. So then how to fix this? So therefore, for this, OOTB provided the job. So we need to run it. We need to run that job. So when you run that job, so let me show you that job. So that job is nothing but you can search, let's say, media cron job. Nanendra, please be on mute.
Yes.
Sitemap media cron job. Yeah, you can see. So there is a sitemap media cron job. So so you can see these are the cron job related, but the exact job is
This conference will now be recorded.
look at this one, please. So as I said, right? So we are getting the error here. Now, how to fix the error? So OOTB provided the job. We need to run the job. Which is the job? You can see sitemap media job. We need to run the job. So what happens if I run this job? So the purpose of this job is it will find what are the products, what are the categories, and so on, so on. So in our website, you will find what are the products, what are the categories, what are the content related links, all those things. Okay, content related things, all those things in our website, and generate URLs for those. That's the purpose of the job. Okay, that is the purpose of this job. So right now we are getting error because that job did not run. So once you run the job, what this job will do? So this job is having bunch of the logic, you can see here. So this is the job we are talking about. This job is having bunch of the logic. What it will do, it will go on to find out what are the products available, what are the categories available, what is the content available, and it will generate the URLs for those. Now let me run that job. So let me go to back office. Let me go to the back office and run that job. Let me go to the back office. I'm just going to the back office and run that job. So if I want to run the job, before running the job, you remember when I was discussing a website concept. So let me go to the website once. Before running the job, I'm just showing some results. So you can go to the Apparel UK website right now. That is what it is. Apparel UK website. Okay, now you can see here sitemaps are empty. So before running the job, what I have? Sitemaps are empty. So these sitemaps are empty because that job did not run. These sitemaps are empty because that job did not run. Okay, now let me go and run that job. Okay, so you can see here, these are all empty right now. Now let me go and run that job. So how do I run the job? Go to the cron jobs. Okay, go to the cron jobs. And what is the job we have for this particular website? So for that particular website, we have the job. You can just type media something. So you can see, so this is the job we have. So right now I am in the Apparel UK website. So go and run the Apparel UK sitemap media job. Apparel UK sitemap media job, you can run it. Apparel UK sitemap media job, you can run it. So right now this is new and you can see nothing, no results. Now by default, can you check this disable, enable true should be there. This is a disabled right now. So you can enable it, then run the job. Okay, then run the job. So once you run the job, Or in the real time, what you will do, you can schedule it here. In the real time, you can schedule it. Now you can see it's running. In the real time, we'll schedule it. Let's say every day once, every 4 hours once, like that. Right now it is running. Okay, I'm just refreshing. Now you can see it is finished. It is finished. All these are good. Now you can go on to see the website once. Okay, you can go on to see the website once. Apparel UK website. Before I run the job, sitemaps are empty, right? Now you can see sitemaps got generated. Sitemaps got generated. Now if you go to the website and refresh it, now you can see that URLs are coming. You can see that URLs are coming. From these URLs, you need to find out which is our product URL, category URL and all. So right now this is having what? Okay, so this is having home page URL, okay, category page URLs, product page URLs, all these things it is having. Now let me show you product page URLs. Can you see this one? So this is the category page URLs, product page URLs. You can see this one. Okay, so I'm just taking this example. If I go to this one, so what will be there? Can you please observe? If I go to this one, what will be there? It is going to give the list of the products. If I go to this one, it will give the list of the products. Let's see if it is giving. So from here, I'm going to the next step. Sorry. Okay, so you can see it is going to give the list of the products. You can see these are all the products available in my website. Now from here, you can select any one product so that it will go to the product detail page. So that is how the complete flow. This is how the complete flow. Okay, so from here you can select any one product or any one link that will take us to our product detail page. Let's see if it is taking us to our product detail page. Let's see if it is taking us to our product detail page. Is it taking our product detail page? So
Sure.
that is what displayed when you click on when you search something. So that is a complete flow. Okay, now let's recap the complete flow once. So in the Google, you search something. Okay, in the Google, you search something. When you search something, here you are getting the product link, category link, like that. You need to understand this flow, final flow. Whatever I discussed, I'm just explaining one more time with the complete flow. So in the Google, what did you do? You just type something and these are the results coming, and you can see there is a, let's say, PDP link. Assume that this is the product detail page link. How these links are coming, how these products are coming. So the first one is, okay, step number one is what? You have the robot.txt. Can you see this one? Step number one is you have the robot.txt. Step number one is robot.txt. And what is the purpose of robot.txt? Tell me. So it is going to give two information. So the first one is allow pages and disallow pages. And the second one is what?
Sitemap.xml.
Okay, sitemap.xml. Sitemap.xml. Now from the sitemap.xml, so from this second step, from this we can find out what? We can find out product page links, okay, category page links, and so on, so on. So that means Google crawlers can find all this information. So that means, so if we take the example, so here you have bunch of the URLs, and one of the URL is this one. So I hit that. So this is one of the URL in that results in the sitemap.xml. So when I hit this, what it is giving? Tell me. When I hit this, what it is giving? list of the products. Okay, so step number 3. So it is giving a list of the products. So example, this one. Example, this one. List of the products. Local host, right? Local host 9002. So this is the product. Now, if I click on this one, so that is what the product coming. If I go to that one, so that is what the product coming here. That is what the product coming here. You can see that is what the product coming here. That's it. So that is the complete flow. Is that clear, everyone? Any questions so far?
We have a priority in the XML, right? In the site.
Okay. Okay, I just go here. Now you can see that product is coming. So this is how it will take the products and the categories and index them so that it is showing the results. Okay.
So what is the priority in XML? We have.
So give me some time.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll go here, not this one. Okay, so these links. Okay, so these links are indexed so that it will appear in the Google results. So that's the complete flow. Now let's come back to our original question here. What is the question? It is important for us to let Google crawlers knows or search engine knows about our product details, category details, content details and all. For that, you need to maintain the robot.txt. For that, you need to maintain the sitemap.xml. Sitemap.xml is having all the links. So these links will be scrawled and indexed and so on, so that those will appear in the Google search results. That's it. So that is the purpose of robot.txt. And you can also see for sitemap purpose also you have a code sitemap controller.java. So you can see, so this is the code sitemap controller.java. So that means when you hit that sitemap, right? So you can see here, when you hit the sitemap, you can just type class sitemap.xml. So you can see when you hit the sitemap.xml, so this is a controller called, this is having bunch of the logic, so on, so and getting that URLs, okay, and showing there. That's it. So this is the first condition or first thing we need to do, how to show our results in the Google search, how to show our products in the Google search results. Okay, now you can ask the question.
This conference will now be recorded.
So we have seen this complete flow. That's good. Now the next thing is that, so right now if you observe the Chroma website, I'm just giving different context now. So there is only one sitemap.xml, right? Now let's go to, so if you see the Chroma website, so in the Chroma website, you have only one sitemap.xml. That's good. Now let me go to different websites and show you the context. So this is what we have in the Chroma website. Now Lenovo is also developed using SAP Commerce. I'll go there and type robot.txt, robots.txt, robots.txt. What happened? Its spelling is wrong. Okay, now I just type robot.txt here in the Lenovo. Now, do you see multiple sitemaps? Do you see multiple sitemaps?
Question.
Yes. So that means, so you need to do the customizations on top of this. Okay, so you can see here. So this is one sitemap, this is another sitemap like that. Similarly, so this is what we have in the Lenovo website. Now let me go to one more website called OCM website, ocm.com. So this is also developed using SAP Commerce, robots.txt. Now here you can see, can you observe here? So here you have a different name here. I'm just showing different context for the different websites. Now if you go here, so we have sitemap underscore index.html. We have sitemap underscore index.html. Now if I go to that, can you observe this? If I go to that, then I am seeing a sitemap 1, sitemap 2 like that. So that means I'm having a sitemap 1, sitemap 2, sitemap 3, sitemap 4. 4 sitemaps are there in this particular scenario. So that means they are following some other guidelines for this. Now I am telling some guidelines. Okay, now you can see in case of Lenovo, can you observe here? They created the sitemap based on the language and the currency. Sorry, based on the language or country. So let me ask a question. Is the sitemap results same for India and Germany? Is the sitemap results means URLs, is
No,
same for India and Germany?
No.
they may vary.
Let's go to Dell.com and show you. Let's see if Dell.com is maintaining the robot.txt. Then you will understand. Robots.txt. Oh, they are maintaining very good. Now you can see this Dell.com is available for multiple countries. Then if it is India, US, English should be there. If it is some other country, you can see Portuguese. See, this is not English. These URLs will be based on their country language. These URLs will be based on their country languages, right? So let's see the sitemaps ones. Sitemaps. Now you can see sitemap data, this one like that. See, for every country they maintain one sitemap. The reason is, so this URL, so if I go to Germany, then it should come in the German language. So that's why in the companies we maintain multiple. So therefore conclusion one is what? Conclusion one is what? Maintain multiple sitemaps based on country. So that's the good practice. So that country will pick that particular sitemap. That is one good practice you need to do. That is one conclusion. Next, the second conclusion is, now you can see OCM website, right? Now why they have multiple sitemaps, I explained for Lenovo scenario. But for OCM scenario, OCM is only for US. OCM is only for US. Then why they have multiple sitemaps? OCM is the website only for US here. It is not available for, like, let's say Chroma. Chroma is only for India, yes or no? Chroma is only for India. Similarly, OCM is only for US. If it is only for US, then why these many are there? Because they are following another best practice. The best practice is, another conclusion is, okay, so let's say your website is having too many products. When your website is having too many products, every product will have one URL, right? So the general conclusion is maintain around 50K URLs in one sitemap. So that is one more guideline. Maintain around 50K URLs in one sitemap. So that's why they are splitting into multiple sitemaps, and so on, so on, so. Now to understand this, you need to answer this question. I have, okay, let's say I have 4 languages. I have 4 languages and 50K products or 40K products, okay, and 1000 categories. I have 4 languages. So this is the question here. I have 4 languages, 50K products, 1000 categories. If I have 4 languages, 50K products or 40K products and 1000 categories, so total how many URLs will be there? Total how many URLs will be there? Now you need to tell.
4.
Total how many URLs? So for each product, one URL. So that means 40K. For each category, one URL. So that means 1K. And these are available in how many languages or how many countries? How many languages or how many countries?
4.
4 countries. So therefore, into 4 you need to do. Because for each country, each language, you need to maintain it into 4. So therefore, 41 into 4. 41 into 4 is what? 164K URLs. That's it here. That is the final conclusion on this entire explanation. Okay, if no questions, we'll go to the next one. Is that clear? Why we have multiple website, multiple sitemaps? In case of Chrome OCM, why they have multiple sitemaps? In case of Lenovo, why they have multiple sitemaps? In case of Dell, why they have multiple sitemaps? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
therefore, it's better to maintain. It is better to maintain for each country, each language, one sitemap. Okay. Next, if you have more than 50K, maintain one more sitemap. So therefore, I am giving general conclusion. Let's say I have 4 languages or 4 countries and 40K products and 1000 categories. Each category one URL, each product one URL into 4. So total these many. Okay, these many URLs will be there. That's it. Excellent. Next, let's go to the next scenario. I told you, okay, it is important for us to let Google crawler know about our products so that it will display here. Okay, so let's say there is one more nice question now. Samsung TV 55 inches, I typed it. Now I told it is important for us to show our results here. And for that we followed some guidelines. Just now I explained. Okay, it is important for us to show our results here. For that we followed some guidelines. Is that sufficient? Is that sufficient? The reason is, okay, so first point what we covered, it is important for us to show our results here. And we discussed that. First point is what? It's important for us to show our results, our products or categories in search results. So for that, what to do? We discussed it. Second thing is that this is one more important one. Is it important for us to show our results in the top search results or just in the results?
So top.
Is it important for us to show our products in top search results? Is it important for us to show our products or categories in top search results or just in results? Which is the correct answer? Just in results means it may come in the 20th place, 50th place, like that. Just results means what you can see here. There are so many occurrences. You can see so many results. So it is important for us to show our products in top search results or just in the results. Just in results means what? Example, 100th place. Top search results means maybe top 5th. Which is the correct answer? Top search results. Now you can ask a question, why this top search results is important? Why this top search results is important? For that there is one more survey. So what is the survey? This survey is done by IBM almost 20 years back. What this survey says is that in the Google, data is double every 20 months. In the Google, data is double every 20 months. So that means, let's say if I go and type learn computer, I'm getting, let's say, 5 GB data. I'm just giving example here. These are the surveys, means based on the data they will tell. In the Google, data is doubled every 20 months. Now I go on to learn computer, I'm getting 5 GB data. In the next 20 months, it will be 10 GB. After 20 months, it will be
40 GB.
Okay, yes. So like that, data is doubled every 20 months. Now, when data is doubled every 20 months, then people are using only 7% of the data, around 7% of the data. Does that mean remaining? Okay, does that mean remaining 93% is not useful? Yes, it's useful. Okay, so let's say a simple example here. So you want to learn SAP Commerce Cloud. You just come here, learn SAP Commerce Cloud. So tell me how many people really go to the 5th page and see the results? How many people really go to the 5th page and see the results?
Very few.
Very little. That's what I said. Only 7% of the data people are using. Remaining 93% people are not using. So that's why it is important for us to bring our data, our product in the top search results. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So people are not going to the 9th page. People are, see, if you show your results in the 10th page, who will come and buy? Okay. If you show your results in the 10th page, who will come and buy? No one will come. So that's why, hence, it is important for us. Hence, it's important for us to show our products or categories in top search results. In top search results. Now you can ask a question, for this what to do? Is that clear, everyone? The flow should be very clear.
Yes, sir.
So the question is, for this what to do? So we have seen how to bring our results, how to bring our products in the search results we have seen. But not only in the search results, we need to bring this to top search results. To bring top search results, what to do? Okay, for that again we need to follow some more guidelines. Okay, now, so as I said, we have different pages, right? We have different pages. So home page, search page. Okay, so we have different pages: home page, search page, product page, category page, cart page, like that. Tell me, do I need to focus on cart page, all these things? So which one mainly I need to focus? Mainly you can focus on home page. Okay, search page is very dynamic, right? So you don't know what customer will search. So that's why search page is very dynamic. But if you want to focus, you can focus, otherwise you can ignore it. So I'll put in the yellow color. So, but mainly 3 pages are important for us. Okay, mainly 3 pages are important for us. Mainly 3 pages are important for us. What are those? Home page, you need to take care. Okay, so then product page, obviously, and category page. And if there is any content page, that also. But I no need to. So do I need to take care of a cart page? We already discussed it. Do I need to take care of a cart page for SEO purpose?
No.
No.
Do I need to take care of a checkout page for SEO purpose? No need.
No.
And so on. So therefore, mainly 3 things are important. Okay, so these 3 are important. So you need to take care of these 3 for SEO purpose. You need to take care of these 3 for SEO purpose, so that your products categories will come in the top search results. Now, to take care of these things, what we need to do, right? So the first one is, you need to maintain the title, proper title. you need to maintain the proper title, you need to maintain proper summary. So that means description. You need to maintain proper keywords. Okay, so you need to maintain proper title, proper description, proper keywords. Okay, and you can see here, you can see in the notes please once. This is what we are discussing, and so on, so on. So you can see here this language. You need to maintain language, title, description, keywords. Okay, keywords, and yeah, keywords. One more thing is that short URLs, short or meaningful URLs, and so on, so on. Okay, what is the meaning of short or meaningful URLs? So let's take the example. Let's take the short or meaningful URLs. Short or meaningful URLs. So this is important here, short or meaningful URLs. So let's say in the URL, okay, can you observe this one? Sometimes if you see in the URL, you will have some special characters. So let's say right now hyphen is there here. So instead of the hyphen will have hexadecimal number, right? So let's say hyphen hexadecimal number is %22. Then maintaining %22 is meaningful, or maintaining equivalent character is meaningful. Character. So those also you need to take care. But let's see the title, description, keywords. Okay, now I am in the home page right now. Can you see this one, please? So let's take care this one for home page first. Home page, first one is title. Okay, so this is the home page. Right click, view source. So as per the OOTB, title is nothing but what? Your website name. Okay, this is the website name. You remember, if I go to back office, you can see here. If I go to the back office, you can see this is the name. So website name followed by home. So therefore, as per the OOTB, title is what? Title equal to website name piped with and that is a page. So this is the page, right? Home page. So right now I'm in the home page. So if you go to the pages, can you see this one, please? Pages. Now let's search with the home page. Okay. So right now this is what? Apparel UK. Apparel UK online. Apparel UK content catalog online. This is the one. And you can see. So I will just change this to 1, 2, 3. Click on save. Now go here, refresh it.
I think page title.
Sorry.
Page title we need to update.
Yeah. Okay. So not this one here, page title. So let me change this to 1, 2, 3 and click on save. Now come here, refresh it. So it's coming 1, 2, 3. So therefore, as per the OOTB, website home page title is what? Website name and page name. Page name. So that's what it is. So you need to tell to your company. Okay, you need to tell to your company, hey, go ahead. If you want to maintain proper things, go and maintain the proper title here, proper website name here, and all. And also, one more important thing is that, let me show you. Let me go to the OCM website. OCM website and go to the view source. Up. Okay, what happened? Close this. So let me say view source. Okay. Let me go to the Lenovo website then. Lenovo website. Now let me go to the view source. Now it is important for us to append the country code here. See, can you see this one? Lenovo is maintained proper title or not? So they maintained a proper title, laptops, PCs, desktops, like that. And you can see at the end, it is important to maintain the country code also. So at the end, it is important to maintain, but OOTB is this one. Now let's say your company is saying that, hey, I don't want this OOTB behavior. Okay, I don't want this OOTB behavior. I want to put my own value like this, where it is having country code, all these things. Okay, so I want to put my own value like below. So this is the requirement. So that means they want to type whatever they want. And at the end, make sure you append the country code here. If you append the country code, it will give more meaningful. So this is the requirement. If this is the requirement, then what to do? If this is the requirement, then what to do? So OOTB I explained. OOTB I explained. So if your company says, okay, tell me where to change the title of the website. Okay, you can title of the home page. You can just show that is the combination of website name and the page name. That is the combination of website name and page name, and you can ask them to change whatever they want. And assume that they said they don't want that behavior and they want something like this. If they want something like this, then what to do? Okay, then what to do? Step number 1. Create a property file or create one property configuration. So let's say I will go to local.properties or go wherever you want. So go to the property file. Okay, asterisk.property file and create one property. So let's say homepage dot, okay, homepage dot or homepage dot title, and you can ask your company to enter whatever they want. You can ask your company to enter whatever they want. Is that clear? You can ask your company to enter whatever they want. Then step number 2. So that you maintain the property, right? Then this property you need to read into Java file and attach it to this place, right? That property value you need to attach it to this place, yes or no?
Yes.
So that means you need to read this property into Java file or JSP file. Property value into Java file or JSP file. How do I do that? You can see this title is coming from where? So there is something called a master tag something. So let's see. Master dot tag something. Yeah, you can see master dot tag. Okay, master dot tag. Okay, so you can go to here. So you can see this is the one which is giving the title. Okay, I just deleted it. Go here, refresh, then title should not come. Title should not, see, title is gone. So that means this particular thing you need to replace with what? This particular thing you need to replace with the configured value. This property value. So therefore, you can, there are 2 ways to read it here. You can read into Java file or you can directly read into JSP file also. So that's what I said, read property value into Java or JSP. So if you want to read into JSP, let me show you the syntax. So Hybris read configuration properties in JSP file. In JSP file. So you can see read project.properties in JSP file. And you can see this is the syntax. You can see this is the syntax and he said it is working. So you can go on to directly read here. So here you can specify your key. What is the key here? Homepage title. Like this you need to do the customization. So that this will give whatever you configured in this property will be picked and displayed in the website. And displayed in the website. Is that clear? How to change the title of the home page, because these are the common requirements in the companies. Functional people should know how much time it will take, or is there a way to do it or not. Technical people should remember the procedure also. Functional people should know, yes, these are possible. Technical people should remember the procedure also. Clear? That's it. Okay, so read this property value into JSPR and attach it to title. Attach to title. That's what you can do it. That's about the title. Then what is the second one? Second one is I told you description, right? So you can see description keywords and robots. Robots also important here. So follow, no follow, those things. So right now description keywords are empty. Okay, so description and keywords are empty, right? Keywords are empty. Then what to do? So your company is saying, oh, I want to fill something. Your company is saying, I want to fill something. If your company is saying, I want to fill something, the simplest one is you can follow this procedure again. Okay, so you can follow this procedure. Say that, okay, in the property file, create a home page description, then ask them to enter whatever they want here, and read that value and attach it to the description. Attach to the description. That's it. Similarly, keywords. Keywords. Let me go to the Lenovo site again. Let me go to the Lenovo site again. See whether they are followed the whatever I am telling. So I will go view source. Okay, you can see title. Yes, they configured well. And right now we are discussing the description, right? Okay, can you see description? They maintained very well. So what is the description they maintained? Hey, in this website you can shop for the PCs, you can shop for the tablets, you can shop this and all like that. They maintain the description. So this is the description. You can ask them to enter here, and you can take that and attach it to the description attribute. Similarly, keywords. What is the meaning of keywords? What is the meaning of keywords here? So let me show you what is the meaning of keywords quickly. So let's say go to the youtube.com and you can see learn Hybris. You can see learn Hybris. Now, okay, so let's say I click on this. Okay, I click on this. Now, please remember this. Some people type learn Hybris. Some people types what is Hybris. Some people types Hybris tutorials, right? So that means combinations are there. So those are all nothing but like a keywords. Those are all nothing but keywords. So these are important to recognize the product or not? Keywords are important to recognize the product or not? Because you may search with what is Hybris. You may search with or let's say Soumit may search with what is Hybris tutorials. I may search with learn Hybris. Whatever I search, then I should get it. So therefore keywords are important. That's why if you see in the Lenovo website, they maintain nice keywords. So that means they said keywords are nothing but what laptops, desktops, monitors, ThinkPads. They put all the combinations so that Google crawler will find the products very easily. Okay, now for keywords, what you will do? You can do the same thing. Okay, so create a homepage.keywords and ask your company to enter whatever they want and read that and attach to the keywords. Like this, you can implement this. Like this, you can implement the homepage related attributes for SEO purpose. Like this, you can implement homepage related attributes for SEO purpose. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, Chenna.
Okay, good. Now let's go to the next one called product page category page. Let's go to the category page. Okay, category page. So for category page also, title is important. Okay, description is important. Keywords are important. Keywords are important, and so on, so on, so. Now let's look for the category. First, let's look for the. Let me go to one category first. Can you see this one, please? I just go to one category, or I'll go to some other category which is having the products. Okay, this is one. Now I right click view source. Right now the title is nothing but, you can see. Can you see the title? OOTB title is nothing but your breadcrumb. Your breadcrumb and appended with the site name. Okay, so OOTB category title is what? OOTB category title is breadcrumb. So you can see, so this one, this one, this one, that is what exactly you can see here. Appended with your site name. So therefore, breadcrumbs appended with the site name. Now let's say your company don't want this. Your company don't want this behavior. They want their own values. Okay, your company don't want this behavior and they want their own value. Then what to do? Then what to do? Are you guys are there? Am I disconnected?
We can
Yes.
define the value in properties file.
Sorry?
We can define the value in properties file.
Very good. So solution one is what? Solution one is what? So this is one. Okay. Now let's see the challenge with that, whatever you said. Okay. So this is the category. So let's say I will go here and create a property called, so category dot this category number dot title. So I will ask them to enter something. Then I have one more category, right? Let's say belt. Then if I have 25K categories, can you go and maintain 25K categories key values?
No.
Should come on Java.
Ask your company to enter. Okay, ask your company to enter. So like this, you need to maintain for all the categories, right? Like this, you need to maintain for all the categories because all the categories are important. Like this, you need to maintain for all the categories. You need to maintain for all the categories, which is very difficult. Very difficult. So that means the properties will not work. Okay, red color. So that's why you need to go with the solution 2. What is the solution 2? Okay, so for categories, anyway, we have a category table, right? For categories, anyway, we have the category table, right? Yes or no? You can see for categories, anyway, I have the category table. You can see in the category table, as they don't want to use existing ones, so you can simply create a new variable here, you can simply create a new column here in this category table. So create a new column so that let's say this is SEO title, and give a box to them and ask them to enter whatever it is. Take this and attach it to title. Okay, so this is the solution 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, what I am trying to say, so create new column in category type or table. This is already there. So then step number 2, ask them to fill values there. So that means, so now we have plenty of the categories, right? So for this category, what is the title they want? For this category, what is the title they want? For this category, what is the title they want? Let them fill it. Now take that value and attach it to this category results. Take that value and attach it to this title. Okay, so therefore, so third step is what? Take the category column value, take the created category column value, and attach it to title. So this is the best solution. This is the best solution. Is that clear? Everyone,
Yes.
is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So the next one is description. Okay, so right now description is, you can see for this category. Let me go to, this is the category, right? Okay, this is the category. I'm saying view source. For that category, view source. Now description is empty and the keywords also empty. Okay, description is empty, keywords are empty for this particular category. Now, do I need to do something? You don't need to do anything here because it's all OOTB. So let me show you here. Go to the back office, go to the category. So which category? Let's say this is the category, and you have staged and online. Let me go to online directly, and you already have a column called description here. Okay, so here you can enter it. Enter the description. This column is already there. Testing 1, 2, 3, like that, and click on save. And you already have the keywords here. Here you can enter it. So let's say I will create some keywords. So let's say our version is what? Apparel UK online version, right? Apparel product catalog. Apparel. This is the product catalog, right?
Content.
Product. Keywords are content. Okay. Okay. So let me go here. Okay. Keywords. Where is that here? Apparel UK content catalog online. Okay. So let me create a keyword 1, and language is, let's say, English, and say done. And we can have multiple keywords also, but we will do it. So just refresh it. See, it's coming. Descriptions are coming, keywords are coming. Now you can maintain multiple keywords also. You can maintain multiple keywords also. So you can go here, apparel UK content catalog online. So one more keyword, testing 1, 2, like that. And the language is what? English right now, right? Language is English right now. And say done, and click on save. Like this, you can configure multiple keywords, and which is attached to here. Is that clear?
Yes, Chenna.
So this is completely OOTB. I don't think so. You need some customization for this. And this is also completely OOTB. That's about the category pages. Now we have the product pages, right? Let's go with the product pages next. So for product page also, title is important, description is important. Okay, third one is keywords are important. And like this, so on, so on. Okay, now let's see the OOTB product page title. OOTB product page title. So if I go here, so let me go to one product. Let's say I go here. So this is the product page. Now what is the title? If you go on to view source, OOTB title is nothing but, so this breadcrumb, can you see this one? OOTB title is nothing but your breadcrumb. You can see this is the breadcrumb and your site name. So therefore breadcrumb, CRUMBS, and followed by the site name. Site name. So this is the OOTB. This is the OOTB. Now assume that now let's go to the Lenovo site once. Let's go to the Lenovo site once, and let me go to one product. Okay, let me go to the product details, or this product. Okay, add to cart. Okay, good. Okay, this is what? Okay. Now you can go to the view source and see. Okay, description, or what is the title, right? See, it is having some title. Okay, so therefore what I am trying to say that if your company don't want this title, Then you need to do customization. Tell me, how do we do that? So the scenario is what? So your company don't want the OOTV. Your company don't want the OOTV. Then what to do? Can you tell me what to do? Okay, so just now I told, right? For product purpose, you have the product type or product table. For product purpose, you have product type or product table. Okay, simply create a column here. Okay, simply create a column here and ask the business to fill the values. So let's say you are creating a SEO title. Okay, so then ask the company to fill all the information. Whatever you filled here, you can attach to the product title. This is the simplest, best answer. Like however we have done for the categories, simply you can do this also. This is also nice. So therefore, create a new column in category type or table. So in this case, so it is a category or product?
Product.
Yes. So create a new column or type in the product table or product type, fill the values and take the created product column value and attach it to title. So this is how you can do the product page related titles in the easiest way if your company don't want, because mostly lots of the companies say, so this breadcrumb and all, we don't like it. We want to have our own value. If they say that we want to have our own value, this is the best answer. Now you have the keywords and descriptions. So this is completely OOTV here. So because you can see every product is already having a description column. I can see every product is already having a description column and every product is already having a keywords. Do you remember when I was explaining product catalogs, there is a keywords, right? I think in the extended attributes. So you can see keywords. So you can configure whatever keywords related to this product and you can configure whatever description for this product and so on, so on. So like this, you can able to implement all the proper attributes to bring the product in the top search results. To bring the product in the top search results. So that is what it is explained here. You can see here sitemaps, all these things are discussed. Then once that is done, then you can see not here. So you can see page title, page description, keywords and language. So make sure you are attaching the language also, as I said. Okay, so then robots means follow, no follow, we discussed that. Okay, then languages, sort URLs. So this also we discussed some time back. Okay, sitemaps, just now I covered it, and so on, so on. So this is how you can start implementing the SEO for the companies. This is how you can start implementing the SEO for your companies to bring the results in the top search results. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask, else we can continue tomorrow.